Version. The term version is commonly used to refer to a particular form or edition of something. In the context of the English language, version can have a few different meanings depending on the situation. Let's explore some of these meanings with examples. 1. Software version. In the realm of technology, version often refers to different iterations or updates of software. For example, you might hear someone say, "I have the latest version of Microsoft Office installed on my computer." This means they have the most recent edition or release of the software. 2. Literary version. In literature, version can refer to different translations or adaptations of a text. For instance, there are various versions of famous works like Shakespeare's plays, such as the Folio version or the Quarto version. These versions may have slight differences in wording or content. 3. Musical version. In music, version can indicate a different arrangement or interpretation of a song. For example, you may come across a cover version of a popular song performed by a different artist. Each artist's rendition can be considered a version of the original song. 4. Film version. When it comes to movies, version can refer to different cuts or edits of a film. For instance, there might be a theatrical version released in cinemas and a director's cut version with additional scenes or altered sequences. 5. Historical version. In history, version can be used to describe different accounts or perspectives of an event. For example, people often refer to primary sources and secondary sources, which can offer different versions of the same historical event. In summary, version is a versatile term that can be used to describe different forms, editions, interpretations, or adaptations of something. Whether it's software, literature, music, film, or history, the concept of version helps us understand the variations and different perspectives that exist within the English language.